Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an audiobook enthusiast like me, you know that Audible is the go-to app for endless stories and knowledge on the go. Today, we're diving into something super straightforward: how to buy credits on the Audible app for Android in 2025. Whether you're stocking up for your next binge listening session or just getting started, this guide will have you sorted in no time. So, grab your phone, open the Audible app, and let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Audible app installed on your Android device. Head to the Google Play Store, search for Audible, and update if needed. Once that's done, launch the app and sign in to your account. If you're not logged in, you'll be prompted to do so. Use your Amazon credentials since Audible is part of the Amazon family. Now, navigate to the Library tab at the bottom of the screen. From there, tap on the Explore or Shop section. Depending on the 2025 update, it might be labeled slightly differently, but look for anything related to purchasing. Once you're in the store, scroll down until you find the Credits option. This is where the magic happens. Tap on it, and you'll see packages available, like buying 1 credit for a single audiobook or more for a better deal. Select the number of credits you want, maybe start with 12 for a yearly plan if you're all in. Then, hit Buy Now or Purchase. You'll be taken to the payment screen. Audible supports various methods, including credit cards, Amazon Pay, or even gift cards. Choose your preferred option, enter the details if required, and review your order. Double-check everything to avoid any surprises. Finally, confirm the purchase, and voila, your credits will be added to your account almost instantly. You'll get a confirmation email from Audible too, just in case. And that's it. You've successfully bought credits on the Audible Android app for 2025. Remember, credits make it easy to grab bestsellers without committing to full prices, so enjoy your new audiobooks. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and happy listening.